Care your skin. Love your glow. Lumina Hydrating Cream.
Ever wondered how top-tier creators are pumping out viral product videos every single day without even picking up a camera? No studio, no expensive gear, no editing team? Well, here's the secret. They're using AI to generate high-converting content automatically. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it. Pippit is an advanced AI video agent from ByteDance that's completely transforming how viral content is created. Instead of guessing what might work, it actually analyzes the creative DNA behind viral videos, the hooks, pacing, script structure, visuals, and emotional triggers that make people stop scrolling. And here's the crazy part. You can replicate any viral product video using just a single reference link while keeping the same hook style, script flow, and visual structure. Yes, it's that powerful. So, today, I'm taking you behind the curtain to show you step by step how to use its most powerful features to automate your content creation and scale faster than ever. Let's dive in. First, go to Pippit.ai, click on Video Generator. Now, you will see the multiple powerful models like Sora 2 and more. All you need to do is upload a reference video, maybe a viral product ad you love.
Care your skin. Love your glow.
The moment you upload it, the AI automatically analyzes the video and fills in the prompt for you. That means no complicated scripting required. From there, you can customize everything. Choose your aspect ratio, perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Adjust the video length, then simply hit Generate. In just a few seconds, your AI-generated viral style cloned video is ready.
Care your skin. Love your glow. Lumina Hydrating Cream.
It keeps the proven structure, but adapts it to your product. Now, if you want to experiment, the process is very similar, but the rendering style and visual dynamics are slightly different.
Elegance you.
Now, imagine this. If you run your own business and don't want to spend thousands on filming ad videos, if you don't want to hire actors, editors, or rent studio space, all you have to do is upload a video you find stunning. Here's the result. It's absolutely incredible. The quality feels like it was produced by a professional creative agency, except it took minutes instead of weeks. Upload your product photos, click Generate, and you instantly get a ready-to-post high-converting video. No filming, no editing. You don't even need to hold the physical product in your hands. This completely removes the traditional barriers to content creation. Pippit.ai is truly changing the game for brands, creators, dropshippers, and agencies in 2025. If you're ready to scale your brand, automate your creative process, and save a massive amount of time, click the link in my description and try it out for yourself. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it. Subscribe for more AI tutorials, tools, and growth hacks. Now, go out there and start creating. I'll see you in the next one.